Hi dear folks, today's Leetcode challenge is prefix and suffix search. In this problem, we are given input as word filter, which represents the array of string, and f, which is an array of string, and it represents prefix and suffix. In this problem, we have to design a dictionary that searches the word in it by a prefix and suffix. Example is, we are given a word filter, which is an array of input string, and it contains value apple, and then we are given f, which represents an array of prefix and suffix, and here prefix is a and suffix is e. So we have to search a word in word filter which starts with a and ends with e. So apple is starting with a and ending with e, and we have to return the index of apple in this array as an output. So output here will be 0, which represents the index of apple in word filter array string. There are few more points which we need to consider when we are returning our output. One point is, if there is more than one valid index, we have to return the largest of them. Example, here in word filter we are having values apple and ape, and in f we are having prefix as a and suffix as e. So we are having two valid words here, one at index 0 and one at index 1. So we have to return the output as 1. And second point is, if there is no such word in the dictionary, return -1. So example for this is, in word filter we are having apple and ape, and in f we are having prefix as a and suffix as g. So we are not able to find any such word satisfying these conditions in word filter. So our output here is -1. The solution which we are implementing here has time complexity of O(n)m square, where n represents length of words array and m represents the length of each individual word in an array. So here this is an input. Value of n will be 1 and value of m means the length of word apple, which is equals to 5, and that would be the value of m. Space complexity here will also be O(n)m square. Let's move to the solution part. Here we will generate each possible combination of prefix and suffix from a word, and we will insert hash between prefix and suffix. For example, we are given word apple, then we will generate all possible combination of prefix and suffix from this word and will put hash between prefix and suffix. So let's start. We are starting with first combination when prefix is empty, then we are putting hash and suffix is also empty. Here we are having empty prefix and empty suffix. So now we will keep our prefixes empty, but we will try different combination of suffixes with this. It will be hash, first take suffix e, then we will take hash and suffix as le, similarly hash ple, hash pple, and at last hash apple. Similarly, we will now change our prefix as a first word, and we will have suffix combinations the same. So it will be a hash e, a hash le like this. Then we will have prefix as ap, and then we will add hash in between and then generate various combination of suffix. Like this we will generate various combinations. These are few of the examples. And after generating all the possible combinations, we will store these in a hash map as key, and value will be its index in the input array. So key will be all these possible combinations and value will be 0, as the index of apple is 0 in the input array. And then we are given query or the value of f as ae. So in map we will search for a key with prefix which is a, hash, suffix which is e. So like this we will search in the map and will return its value. In this problem it will come out to be 0. That's it for the solution part. Now let's quickly move to the coding part. As discussed in the solution part, I will create a map here. Then in Wordfilter method, firstly I will calculate the value of n. Then I will create each combination of prefixes and suffixes and put hash between them and will store in map. This is a for loop for words array. Then I'll calculate the length of each individual word. Now I'll create each possible combination of prefix and suffix and I'll put hash between prefix and suffix. In map, I will put this string, newly created string, as key and value will be its index. Now for second method implementation, I will generate one string which will be prefix plus hash plus suffix, and then I will try to search in the map. If it is present in the map, I will return its value, else I'll return -1. So there was one more condition for output, which was to return the largest index. So by default, when I am iterating here in the array, so I am iterating from 0 to the largest index, and it will automatically store the largest value of index in map. That's it for the coding part. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video if you like the effort. Thank you once again.